What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something really cool. We're gonna be checking out ChatGPT and Claude AI. Now we're gonna be testing the both of them with a single prompt, and the prompt we're gonna be using would be sort of vague. So I'm gonna make two parts of this video. This one is gonna be using the vague prompt, and then the next one is gonna be using a well or more detailed prompt. Alright, so what I've done here, I've already created the prompts that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna go to the browser and show you what's there in a little bit. But let's see what we have here. So this is a project I was working on. I did tell you guys about this project that I would deploy faster. I went to the app folder and I created two directories here. We have the UI and we have the UIB. So I'm gonna paste whatever we get from Claude in here and whatever we'll get from ChatGPT in here, and we're just gonna run it and see what's going on. So I've gone ahead to make certain installations because literally I did this video and for some reason I wasn't recording. I don't know what happened, so I'm gonna do this again. Anyways, so here's what we have. I have two prompts. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. Or let's start with Claude. So this is the first prompt. I told it I'm working on a Next.js TypeScript still in the CSS project. I want to create a single page app, design a modern and visually appealing fitness app dashboard UI. So this is sort of like a UI showdown, you know, ChatGPT and Claude. We're gonna see the best. Which comes out the best, and this is based on, now I do know that if you go on with better prompts you're gonna get better results, but I just want to see, given it a vague prompts, which is gonna use its own intelligence to come up with something, you know, good, you know. So let's check it out. Alright, so over here I just ran that and we had this. I went ahead and said I'll create a modern fitness app dashboard for you as a React component that you can use in your Next.js project. This will feature a clean contemporary design with interactive elements and a professional look. Alright, so this is it. In the moment I'm gonna go ahead and open that and we're gonna see what's there, and I'm gonna copy it as well. I do want to check out the key features here though. Nice. Alright, so but something else, I went to ChatGPT and it took me a little while before we got somewhere. It's not like it was off, but here's what happened. The same prompt, as you can see from over here, this prompt, I just used it over here, as you can see, right? And it said nice, blah blah blah. You know how ChatGPT responds. Anyways, it started talking about me setting up the project, the folder structure, tailwind config and all of that, and giving me these different components and stuff like that. That's really cool. But what I did tell it was, let me see, did I write anything? Yes, I said I need everything to be a single component, just one file. I already have my Next.js installed and project set up. It says perfect. Okay, it goes ahead and create this file. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick copy here, and let's go back to Visual Studio Code, and I'm gonna paste it over here. I'm gonna hit save, and I'm gonna go to Claude. I'm gonna expand this like so. I can check it out here, but I won't run it. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna paste this, and I'm gonna hit save. Alright, so here's what we have. I go to local UI, localhost /UI, and I come over here /UIB. This one's for ChatGPT and this one's for Claude. Alright, I'm gonna reload this page and we're gonna see what's there, and as well I'm gonna reload this page and we're gonna see what's there. Just gotta be sure that I'm actually running this. Okay, now the reason why you're seeing this here is because ChatGPT actually used recharts and Claude used what did Claude use? Claude used Lucid React. So I'm going to show you that in a little bit. So Claude is having errors, I can see already. So right here, they both have errors. Okay, this is Claude. and this is ChatGPT. Let's see, does ChatGPT have? Okay. Yep, we gotta use clients. So the both of them have errors. But anyways, let's see what's over here. So this is Claude, and this is just normal ESLint error. So it's not across the file, so I'm just gonna replace it with that one. And let's go to the top of the file, and I'm gonna add use clients to that. Okay. I'm gonna copy that line, and I'm gonna go over here. I would love to change this to an image, but then if I do that, I'm gonna have to specify the width, so I'm not gonna do that. All right, ChatGPT actually added the use clients there, so I think that's fine. All right, so let's see what we have. I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm gonna hit enter over here. I gotta be sure that we actually running this because it's taking a little bit of time. All right, probably getting something. Here we go. This is Claude AI, and here we go. This is ChatGPT. All right, so let's check out ChatGPT first. It looks a little bit off. I don't know what's up. All right, can you actually collapse this? Now, I do actually know that you can, make better prompts with detailed prompts. You can get better results and stuff like that. That's of course possible. But think about the fact that you could give this platform prompts that are this vague, right? They don't have much context and details. So I just want to say, between ChatGPT and Claude, which one can, using its own intelligence, come up with something nice. Right, I'm gonna make another video where we actually use a detailed prompt and see what we'll come up with. It's still gonna be a single page because I don't have time to create multiple components and stuff like that. It's just for this video sakes. Anyways, so this is what we have. It's a little bit not cool because I cannot actually collapse this at first trial, and now if I go ahead and get prompting, it's gonna come up with something really cool. Anyways, this is what we get. Not really good. Not the best. Not the best UI. Probably cool, but tell me in the comments which one would you actually go with. This is Claude's. Look at the hovering effects you get. This is overview, workouts, nutrition, progress, new goal. Doesn't work, I get it. You got that little chart there. Alright, today's goal. Nice. So between ChatGPT and Claude AI, which one is better? Alright, tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Joshua Chris. I'm a software developer and content creator. So you want to make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and share the video. Cheers.